This is a golden rain tree that we rescued from a nursery 2 years ago. It was stuck in a container and all the roots are growing in a circle. Down here at the bottom, since I did mention the girdling roots, but what I'm more concerned about is all the roots that are growing on the surface that could be exposed to like drying out or freezing and desiccating. So we're going to apply some more mulch on this later today. But what I want to do right now is I want to try to loosen up some of the soil with this trowel and sever some of these roots that are like trying to grow on top of the ground and try to encourage this tree to produce more roots down lower. So I'm going to take and just very easily slice through the soil vertically away from the tree. And I think what we're going to do is encourage more feeder root growth further out. Now we don't want to go this way because it'll be just like transplanting the tree again. That's why I went away from the tree like so. This tree is doing good so far.
Thanks for watching. We have other quick tips. Just subscribe below.